Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect gift that will make someone feel really good and nice and cared for, then you want to check out this gift box from Suhctuptx. This is a gorgeous gift box that I received when I was not feeling well, and it really made my day to receive it. The box comes complete with everything that someone could need to be able to pamper and make themselves nice and cozy. It comes with a beautiful soft blanket as well as matching cozy socks. I love the mauve color of everything in this box. It's just very, very pretty. As soon as you open the box, it says "Keep Shining Beautiful One," making someone feel very pretty and glamorous with all of these great treats inside. It also comes with an eye mask, a soap, 2 bath bombs, as well as a really cute cup that allows someone to drink hot or cold beverages, and a beautiful candle that smells really yummy as well. All of the things in this box are packaged so nicely, and they're nice and cozy feeling and just make someone feel really good. This is a great gift if someone maybe had a surgery, or maybe they just need a little pick-me-up, or you just want to give someone or yourself a really nice gift that will make them feel good. But that's just my point of view.